Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilet shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls. Pour dish soap into the shower head, then add a small amount of vinegar. Screw the shower head back on and leave it for a moment. After that, turn on the water as usual. As the water flows, the mixture will begin dissolving limescale and built-up grime. The debris will flush out with the water, and the shower head will regain proper flow and freshness. It is an inexpensive and effective way to restore full performance. Got stubborn limescale on your shower? Here's how to get rid of it fast. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of water into a spray bottle, add 1 fluid ounce of starch and 1 drop of dish soap, then pour in 1 fluid ounce of vinegar. Close the bottle and gently mix. Spray the shower enclosure where you see white buildup, wait a moment. Then rinse everything with water. The limescale disappears as if by magic. Pour gelatin into your toilet tank. This one trick will completely refresh it. Start by pouring 300 milliliters of boiling water into a bowl. Add 1 packet of gelatin. Raspberry flavor works great. Stir in half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a tablespoon of flour. Now add 1 capful of raspberry-scented dish soap. Mix everything well until fully combined. Take an empty 500 milliliter plastic bottle. Squeeze the top and cut it off with scissors, so you're left with about 3/4 of the bottom. Pour the mixture into the bottle and place it in the freezer. Once it solidifies, cut the bottle and remove the gelatin block. Slice it into thick pieces. Now grab a disposable face mask and cut off one side with the elastic. Use the larger piece to form a little pouch. Place the gelatin slices inside and tie it shut with the elastic band so nothing falls out. Hang the pouch inside your toilet tank by hooking it onto a plastic part. Every time you flush, a pleasant raspberry scent will fill your bathroom. And thanks to the cleaning properties of gelatin and baking soda, your tank will stay fresh, clean, and free of limescale and buildup. No harsh chemicals, no scrubbing, just a clean and fragrant toilet. Put a plastic bag in the sink. It might solve one of the most annoying household problems. A plumber once shared this simple trick with me. First, remove the sink strainer. That's where a lot of gunk builds up. Pour in a generous amount of dish soap to break down the grease. Then cover everything with a good amount of baking soda. Don't hold back. Baking soda has powerful cleaning and deodorizing properties. Next, slowly pour vinegar over the whole thing. And that's when the magic begins. Thick foam starts to fill the drain. Now press the plastic bag into the drain and place something heavy on top, like a bottle of water. Soon you'll see foam pushing through a small hole in the bag. That's a good sign. Give the baking soda and vinegar time to dissolve the grime thoroughly. After a while, rinse the sink well with warm water. You'll notice the difference within seconds. The drain will not only be unclogged, but also smell fresh. No more spending money on harsh pipe cleaners. All you need is a plastic bag from your drawer and a few items from your kitchen shelf. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. Don't throw away your used tea bag. It has a hidden function. Watch what happens. Very few people know this trick, and I'm sure you had no idea about it. Let me show you. Prepare your tea as usual. Put the tea bag in a cup or glass and pour in hot water. Drink the tea and set the bag aside. Wait until you've collected a few of them, because that's when this trick works best. Put the used tea bags in the sink, but of course not new ones, only those you've already used for making tea. Place them directly into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and pour the boiling water over the tea bags. Leave them like this overnight for the best results. In the morning, simply take them out of the sink and throw them in the trash. Your drain will be like new, with no unpleasant odors coming from it. This trick with used tea bags costs practically nothing, which is why it's worth trying. Sprinkle your toilet with this magic powder as if you were preparing it for something special. It's a secret that will completely change the way you think about cleaning. Everyday grime and buildup will no longer be a problem. These two methods will get rid of them quickly and effectively. For the first method, sprinkle laundry detergent over the toilet bowl, then generously cover it with baking soda. Next, pour vinegar over the entire surface. The mixture will start to fizz, which means it's actively breaking down dirt and limescale. Grab a toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, and flush with water. Done. It's like a home spa for your toilet that also refreshes the pipes and helps prevent clogs. The second method will make yellow stains disappear as if by magic. First, blend scented beads in a blender. Then sprinkle them into the toilet bowl along with a generous amount of blue cleaning powder. Add baking soda, followed by a small amount of toothpaste. Pour in some laundry detergent. With a brush in hand, scrub well and flush. The fragrance from the beads will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural way to maintain a hygienic and pleasantly scented toilet without the use of harsh chemicals. Your toilet will shine like never before.